dear brothers, the only people who will put you aside are the wives that you'll bring in your family. And the only people who will unite you, they are the people you believe in. You themselves start by setting the foundation of you. When you find a woman or a wife to settle down with in your family, then let her know there is a foundation that you started long way before, and the foundation is unity that doesn't have to put you aside. And I believe Francisco, hard work pays. It's hustle, time, artist, farmer. Love you all. Respect. Francisco.